Welcome to Oregon. Probably too dark to see it with the GoPro. But I believe we are in Oregon. Let's take a picture of that sign. Cooper, Twinkie, we're in Oregon. I don't know if we'll make it to the campground, but we are in Oregon. Let's go to this information center up here. So all the cyclists said I should stop at the information or welcome center and pick up maps. Which I don't know if we'll have time. 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Day use only. Good to be in Oregon. No, Twinkie. Just chill out. You guys can wait. Wednesday to 5 p.m. Let's see. 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Hold on. Good morning. Yesterday was my last day in California. Took me about 2.5 months, but I finally rode the entire coast of California. And yesterday, late afternoon, I was in Crescent City. Had a surprise visit from some family, which I really enjoyed seeing. Boosted my morale. But after seeing them, my goal was to make it to the campground in near Brookings, Oregon. Didn't make it. Got dark, and so I pulled over next to a way station. I was just gonna do a little stealth camping, just sleep there for the night. But it started raining, and it rained all night. Still kind of rainy out today. So, just found a spot underneath kind of a awning or a little covered area to get out of the rain. Going to try to make it to the campground today and just dry out everything. Got some wet socks and wet dogs, and but I'm going to go get some coffee and pancakes over at Maddie's Pancake House. And stop by the there's a tourist visitors center, pick up some maps, and just kind of relax today. Finally made it to Oregon, and I guess I should expect this kind of weather, more and more as I make it through Oregon and Washington. But kind of happy now. I'm in a different state. But hope you guys are all doing great, and I will talk to you all soon.